Chris and Tiffany here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. And today we are doing a room tour here on board the Discovery Princess. Now this is going to be a mini suite, and it is room A402, so Aloha Deck, Deck 12, room 402. So you ready to get started with this?
Yes.
All right, let's get started with our room tour. All right, so we're going to start up here by the door. So it'll be as you come in. Now immediately here to the left, you have your luggage closet area space right in here. You got plenty of hangers, you got some shelves. Then right over here, you have cabinet space and your wall safe or your room safe. Right over in there. Then we're going to head into the bathroom. Now this is a good sized bathroom. So you got your sinks, shelving. You do have a power plug in here. You got your shower. You have your products already in there for your shampoo and your body wash. And this one has a bathtub in it. And it's pretty big, good sized bathtub, I would say, for a cruise. You know, for a cruise ship bathroom. What do you think, baby?
Oh yeah.
Got a mirror. All right, we come in, we have the bed right here. Now on either side of the bed you have a nightstand, but here at the bottom of the lamp it does have a USB power port on both sides of the bed. And then here at the end of the bed you have your TV and your thermostat controls. Then you do have a privacy curtain in between the sleeping area and I guess in the living room area. You have another nightstand with another USB power. And then you have a nightstand or an end table here with the couch. You got Tiffany resting on the couch. Got a little coffee table, and then you have a desk area. The desk area has got some shelves here on the end. You have 3 drawers. And then on that one there at the end, that cabinet there is your refrigerator. So you have your refrigerator. You have additional power ports here on the desk. Oddly enough, though, there are no USB ports here on the desk, but you do have power, another mirror, and your second TV. All right, we'll head out and take a quick look around on the balcony. It might be a bit noisy out here. Got a nice little balcony. So you got 2 chairs, table for sitting outside. Got the Holland American Westerdam out there, so we are still in port here in Seattle. But that is the balcony. Alright, we'll come back in here to the room. Do a quick little ending tour here just so you can see the room one more time. Say hi.
Hi.
Alright, and that is our room tour of a mini suite here on board the Discovery Princess. Like I said, this is Deck 12, the Aloha Deck, room number 402. So I hope you have enjoyed today's room tour. If you have, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out new videos like room tours. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day.
And like always, we'll see you out on the high seas.